Join me as I challenge myself to eat smart all week while juggling my busy schedule. Eating smart is crucial for maintaining health and energy, especially on the go. It is easy to get caught up in unhealthy habits when you are busy, but with a small quantity of planning, you can make wise choices that will keep you fueled and focused. People often struggle to eat healthy when they are short on time, convenience becomes the priority, and fast food seems like the easiest option. Lack of time is a significant obstacle, leaving many to rely on processed snacks or takeout. Temptation from fast food is also a challenge, as it is often cheap and readily available. Many busy individuals find it hard to resist the convenience of driving through a fast food joint or grabbing a quick bite at a restaurant. Busy schedules can be overwhelming, and it is easy to get sucked into the cycle of unhealthy eating. Lack of meal planning is another common pitfall, leading to unhealthy last-minute decisions. When you are busy, it is hard to think about what to make for dinner, let alone prepare a healthy meal. This can lead to a vicious cycle of takeout and fast food, seriously affecting your health. Time constraints are a significant challenge, making it difficult to find the time to shop for healthy ingredients, prepare meals, and cook. Eating smart on a busy schedule requires some planning and creativity, but it is possible. One strategy is to prep meals on the weekends, or one day a week, cooking healthy meals that can be reheated throughout the week. You can also keep a stash of quick and healthy snacks, such as nuts, fruits, and carrot sticks with hummus. Another option is to find easy recipes that can be made in no time, such as one-pot dishes or stir-fries. Having a few go-to meals that are quick, easy, and healthy can be a lifesaver on busy days. One of my favorites is a simple salad with pre-cooked chicken, cherry tomatoes, and a vinaigrette dressing. Another option is a whole grain wrap with avocado, turkey, and veggies. I also love making a big batch of overnight oats on Sundays, which can be grabbed on the go throughout the week. My top 3 go-to meals are quick, easy, and delicious, and can be made in under 10 minutes. They are perfect for busy mornings or afternoons when you need energy. I love making a smoothie bowl with frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk, topped with granola and fresh fruit. Another favorite is a quesadilla with whole grain tortilla, black beans, and cheese cooked in a pan and served with salsa and sour cream. My third go-to meal is a bowl of soup with pre-cooked veggies, beans, and lean protein mixed with some quinoa or brown rice. Eating smart is about conscious choices that nourish your body even when busy. By incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, you can maintain energy levels and support your overall well-being. If you are struggling to eat healthy on a busy schedule, I would love to hear from you. Share your favorite quick meals or tips for staying on track in the comments below, and do not forget to check out my other videos on healthy eating for more tips and recipes.